Severe storms have tragically claimed at least 21 lives across central U.S. states. Kentucky reports 14 fatalities, with possible tornadoes causing widespread destruction. Authorities confirmed tornadoes touched down in Missouri and Kentucky, causing severe injuries. Laurel County experienced a devastating tornado late at night, leaving many injured. The community is rallying together to support victims and families affected by this disaster. Stay informed and support those in need during this crisis.